I call you students. You know, there's a time we went to a primary school. Then we met the pupils seated. They say, "Good morning, pupils." They say, "Good morning, sir. How are you? Sit down." They are telling me to sit down. Good morning, our good students. How are you? I am Wilson Otto. I'm the district chairman, LC5. And I am happy to receive you in my district today. Some of you today is your first time, not so? When you were coming, you saw my message. I said, you begin praying. You pray very hard to your God so that today, luck comes your way. We realized that the president of this country offered 100 scholarship slots to Acholi sub-region. In Acholi, we have 9 administrative units. And so they distributed it, 11 in every district. After this selection, whatever the results, how it will be generated, we shall now submit the final list to the office of the RDC who represents the president, and then the list of successful people will be taken to the office of the president for consideration. You're all our children. That is why we brought you here. And so all conditions here have been guided by this framework. One, this intake, according to the agreement with all MPs and the district executive committee on behalf of council, is that we shall take intakes of first degree on first entry. First degree, first entry. That means if you had a chance and you already studied a degree somewhere, we shall wait for another opportunity and we help you. 2, diploma cases, the district executive committee on behalf of council and the MP said we should only give the opportunity to people who are going to study degree and they are just entering the university. That means if you don't fall in that category, by level of vetting, you may fall out. Whether you're a diploma, certificate, as long as you now don't fall in that category. 2, we have the district categorized 5 levels. We know people who are doing medical courses, nurses, medical officers. Which other one? Which other degree course on medicine is there? There are so many. And the district agreed with the leaders that there we shall take 3 slots. People who have chances for engineering courses. Engineering courses are so many. Electrical, building, what? There's even what? Which other one is there? Petroleum. Eh? All those other engineering courses, we shall also group you together. We give you 3 slots. Are you getting it? We have people who want to go for education. We cannot lock you out. Science courses and science teachers are also needed, so they gave them 2 slots. How many slots? 2. And then we have people who are doing agriculture, agricultural engineering, agriculture as what, all agricultural related courses. You'll also have a chance of having 2 people. And then the last one that was given only 1 slot is the position for pharmacy. If there's anyone who has done pharmacy as a course, that is, I think pharmacy deals with production of medicine, something like that. 1 slot. If you add, what does it add up to? Add up to 11, not so. So those are the selections we are going to do. So the criteria you are going to do is who falls under which category. Then later, we shall have to now balance all the constituencies. We have 3 constituencies, yes? We have Agago West, we have Agago County, we have Agago North. At the end of this selection, our criteria should allow Agago West to take 3, Agago North to take 3, Agago County to take what? 3. 3. That will be 3. If you add, what will be the total? Now, the last 2 will be a chance of any. Have you got my point? The last 2 will be a chance of any. Whether you come from north, you come from what, you come from where, we shall give you that last 2 as a last chance. So this is, I am here as a district chairman, implementing the positions that has been agreed by everybody in this district. Therefore, what I have said may not be altered, unfortunately. So we can only ask to guide how we are going to do the lottery. You know that one. That's the only way. That means whether you are my uncle, you are my sister, you are my brother, my father, mother, the chances will come equally. If you don't get, the chances are that we can give you another chance another day. Is that okay? Yes. So let us give equal chances to all of us. Yes.
Thank you so much, Chairperson. My name is Daniel. I'm from Uganda.
Yeah.
So by chance, my name was among the people who were selected previously through the office of the RDC, and I've been having challenges with my tuition. I'm doing a master's in medicine in surgery. So my request to your office is, yes, there are 9 which we selected from the different councils. If you could consider us, I don't know if there's any other person for masters, but my name was already there. And of course, because of clarity, the process is being redone. And by chance, my name was selected previously. So this, I bring it to your table for consideration, sir.
That's a good question. I thank you for bringing it up. All the choices that were made, all those lists you saw has been cancelled. So no one should base on it for success today. I don't know if I'm clear.
So my request is to...
No, I have got your request. I still want to clear because there are also some people whose names are there. How many people's, if you know your name was there, first raise up your hand. If your name was in the other first list. So all these people, all those names have been what? Have you got that? So all those names have been cancelled for 2 reasons. One, leaders were not consulted. People want fairness. And they've agreed that we do it afresh today. So when you are here, don't now think about the list. Is that okay? Don't think about the what? Don't think about the list because the list is null and void. Everyone now is here on their individual basis. Is that okay? You are picking your chances today for the last time. Once your name enters, it will go like that. No one will change. They're already taking minutes and everything about people who will be successful. Oh, for me to change that we include master would be after one condition has been accomplished. And I cannot decide alone. I'll have to first call all the stakeholders we have agreed with on phone, and then they give me a go-ahead or not. So for now, I take your request, but you will not participate in the lottery. And then as I call and consult, because I am here on behalf of all the people you're not seeing here. The chairman of the party, the RDC, the MPs. That's why it's even not me picking. It is the DEO doing on behalf of the district. So we shall try to consult. But they have already agreed that we don't put masters. That we don't. Maybe the only condition, is there any, how many people are here for pharmacy? If you have admission for pharmacy, yes, you stand up. How many? Which university? That is where all of us are. I'm seeing you, you are here. That is KIU, eh? Okay. You sit down. Any other?
Just forgive me for always getting up. Next time, a leader